Hi, I'm Mike Song, and this month's Get Control, Get More Done tip comes from our Leadership Through Technology class. In our Leadership Through Technology class, we share great insights that help leaders become more tech savvy, and we help leaders help their people to use technology more effectively. Well, part of that class is to create a charter with your people that helps them communicate more effectively and you communicate more effectively with them. One of the big things that we've discovered is that most teams haven't worked out what it means to receive an email on the weekend. If you get an important email like the one on the screen right now that says, hey, I need you to do something from your leader, does that mean that's something that needs to be done on Saturday or Sunday? And the answer usually is no. So one great thing that leaders can do if they're pumping out a message on the weekend is that they can use, if they use Outlook, they can use the options function. So when you're in the message area and click on options, you get a whole bunch of great options, things that you can do with outgoing email. And one of them is to click on the delay delivery button. You may need to click down here if you have a different version of Outlook, and that'll pop open a screen. Either way, this screen opens up. And when it does open up, you can see here that do not deliver before is checked, and then you just set the time when you want that to arrive. So instead of having it come in over the weekend, I could have that come in Monday morning at 10 a.m. That way my people aren't interrupted, they can relax, have better work-life balance, and I'm probably a better leader, a more liked leader, a more effective leader. Let me know if you or anyone on your team is interested in more training from Get Control University. My email address is ms@getcontrol.net.